GMC Hummer Electric Vehicle is a one-hour course that includes an overview of the vehicle's features, high-voltage systems, construction materials, and repair information. You will be introduced to the electromechanical parts of the Hummer, mechanical systems, driver information systems, and advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. Identify the high-voltage systems. Explain the different types of construction materials used on the Hummer EV. Understand the repair procedures and sectioning locations. Identify proper PPE and disabling of the high-voltage system. Identify and understand the driver information systems and ADAS associated with the Hummer EV.